Hello, how you guys doing? Albanyadi. Hope everybody's doing fine. It's sort of an impromptu discussion regarding the phone call thing, the suppressed polls um, that just came out today, Thursday. So before I go any further, please give me a little thumbs up if my voice is clear, if everything is coming clear. Sometimes please let me know if everything is clear so I can keep going. Um, um, Give me a little thumbs up and make sure that everything is clear. My voice is coming clear. Yeah, okay. Are you guys hearing me properly? If it's okay, I need a thumbs up and also share the program, please. Nali, Nasu Kenya, that would be great. Okay. Can I get a thumbs up if my voice is clear, please? If everything is coming out a long way. Okay, good. Thank you. Thank you, Nima. Well, very good. Yeah. So, like I said, I just came up on the Cyprus any dealer polls, national survey. They call it survey. We call it in America. We call it polls. So um, it came out. We heard about it yesterday. Yesterday. So Bila Fintita. It's all part of our democracy. I have nothing against polls. I encourage polls. During Jami, obviously, we don't have anything like polls. You see, we just sit here at the Kadefai movie. So democracy is growing. So this is not something for a record because model kafula imam polls like namantela favor like this is not about that. I'm not against polls. I've been dealing with polls since when I was 20 years old in America. You understand it? Like election deal, Cameroon boosting goal election or kata for John Kerry, you understand it? Kata for I don't know, you know, Clinton, all stuff. So I'm used to polls. I've seen polls. I've participated in polls all the time. I get calls for polls and I participate. It's not that complicated. It's not that you know sophisticated. It's a simple poll, simple questions to gather public opinion, and there's a poll sampling. So right now we have a population of 2.3 million people. Ye moja le nyininka yimpolola 1,245 people ye wala nyininka out of this poll. So just to paint a clear picture, because sometimes we see these things, we don't have time to sit back and just digest and dissect information. Na mula hakilo bulani. Gamelo mo fili dura ka diye bake tapale ka diya gamelo le. Nyanto stop la. So population na more Gambia Bejang, according to whatever GBOS, 22.3 million people, more less than 1.10, less point 0.001%. Yola Yininka, more clearly follow. 1,245 people, Yola Yininka, will participate into this poll. So, you mira in poll, in the back of your mind. 1,245 people participated in the program out of a population of 2.3 million people. Ni mole kodo dila equator poll la ngamre nyanta ifana nyanta barkala domanding hanna be kala 1% of the population di ya kata ini wole nyomoy 1%. 1% of the population would have been 20,000 people. But maybe that's too much. 1.01%. But 1.001%, that is just way too low. But that's fine. Let's forget about all that. Okay? Still, Munam Post is a simple sample size. Ye Bangu Dunyininka from Banjul, Serakunda, Birikama, Fonyi, Jara, Badibu, Kiang, Bansang, Basse, Beyininka, all across the country. Mosi Fafanambede, Karam de Nul, Musul, Naku Dokulal, Dokulal, Office Dokulal, Bank Dokulal, Senalal, Garin Dokulal, Ustasol, Karambalol, Karanal, Ikanyini Belinka. You have a nice sample size. Kafule proper sample size. So yine mo wili kinin kema fulo yinin ka bo banjul fo koyna. Okay? So yo no masoro nyamin e menyinin ka mu sifalam mu hadabare sifalam society kono mo lo folo kati mo fo mole. Ka serela ko tay karamu do no ko tay. Ajale. dokulal ko ten banque dokulal ko ten dola america nyim pol so fendi ka yela jiye ba fole ko foninkel bitu agent list wol 10 and 25 wol ko ten tek dokulal men be dokula tek wol ko ten pharmaceutical wol ko ten tajal musol the women vote plan and told for polling kumade in america because that's what we do. So politicians now they can track their weaknesses and their strengths. Ntonga polling lo wanya polling nafa menti mo every politician nyanta polling encourage because I kitela mako ila political par gambe jang ntola jang hasidia ne messi ala kaka jang ko ne fofure ne te ko jang gambe la ko kuren ding tapale hasidia ka blako pol nafa molte pol manke just komi kanyo hada nya kala kata ha yal ngafa le ha nama na together bla 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 opposition bla sai ma sai modo bije sai opposition wala sai kala mata bale ani kala ya polls man na wala what polls does you have to break it down nde bi nyanta ka long okay karam ni america la ndanga polo ngam pol belo kabe sa nyi mo be pol la mo fo sa sangi tanane fe so alta pol folante science na gambia pol lo kala na mana polo nya kabe ya jaba jamano baro la ngi sionon pol kera sita kelin fula saba so alman pol long ndo me yalo sa fale ke bal mena fene yalo ma bringa fo rek ko passa ma ñol diamra karamba ñol diamra ko ñine ñu pol ke ñami ko sonen fo is very very unethical. So Paul ka menke bi ñanta ñanta melno na bi wala ñanta la UDPSC bi iko population o de mo million fula la bi jang mo wili tan dulu wala million so mo wili tan wili mu wala ñinen ka that's 1% of the population wolbe ko 1% mo million 23 million 2.3 million nga 20,000 wala ñinen ka that's 1%. That's I can even go to bed with that, but 0.001% ite wala ñinen ka ko ndanga la wala say fana imo fana breakdown ñe I should know okay funding kill ko from the age of 18 for 30 wala ko ñine la problème ko ñine tol ñi kate fa bi ibe ñina kala okay iko musol wala ko tek na ko dogulal wala ko tek ajele masol wala ko tek ustasol ko tek basen ko tek jaram ko tek bo ni be mo si falan ke mankile men ka jara batandi jala la problème o manke banju la problème o banjul kol la problème o manke jara la problème o basse la problème o tekeno la ba jara la problème o fo ñun kol la problème o woni la fansu problème ida fo kam le fo al economic bonding kan jang economic e bolo fole almame jiba diamda almame jiba last time MP abolo kumboka ko economic so joro la bo bu yamulo lata wala problème mo wolete ba ñi tara jare ko economic ba fale men economic itara badibu iko ba fale men ndom economic problème ndom ngam so wala na senote wala problème wolete itara basse wala kemira na seno wala inala trade be kala nyaminde ning kas jana tema to fan la ning inter trade men ka kete maje aja essential price on fall ba to jam fadal fo be ka serdel it will wala to la problème wolete. So it will man this what polls do. Polls brings the picture, the overall feeling, the sentiment of the people across all regions. Mulbe nyami be men filka. Nyinin karo le fana mbi ka nyinin karo ka nyami. But bring an apology be because gamen unfortunately lesan. Hadi na men fo tara karamodo. Dol nsavo mbakala venen durekala comme man pare comme ka modbe ya bari. Kamero nyanta lang kakarang no benin koroteng do saji ma drong yes me faker nga surbut ngata na hajola. We don't sit and learn banko kara teng mo be de tulu teng but you find that the first thing men korsi very easy nga check iko ni be ni kala ni be pol ni kala mol nyanta munekela it's very very simple as sonata among complicated simple yento kumande bari ntele be participer kan pola wala samanja wala fatu sa yoro kumande ikay ko bari ni mo wuli kinen kemen 1245 people yoro nyininga so ni bolu nyininga yento kumande lesente bolo kon ibe nyininga simple bokar jame to don tele bokar jame be sanji le be sanji dara okay be min dole be sere sukuta le kakate fe min dole kakate fe jana tenente hi okay so even the nyininga now the most fundamental question in this polling wala mundi bari nyaja fondi wala pour dumala be na carte na political be nyame simple question ke bani alpha tema ya fo nyaadi nyanta men fala wala ko question nyanta kala menti wala mi ite nyin carte fayta bi wala nyin carte fayta december ni america jamaje ba fala ko if you had to vote today nyin carte fayla bi jamaje ba ke yin ka wala because mala meme ke la next 6 months karif kap politiko ka fali na fatfat sisi jambi science next 6 months esanso bamba ko kanja mo be jomale prim param mo be ko baro finte barata bi ko barola so wala na jama jama nyinto ba kala america kigini kala if you are to vote today who are you going to vote for nyin carte be fayla bi ite bubakar jamme ibe carte fayla dumale mama kandelam bang dabolam bang talibe sulam bang wala esa falam bang. These are simple non-complicated questions ntenga poli lonten like I said nga mfanga poli kele mfanga call at some point or surveys whatever it is okay, this is what you ask in nibe nyin karo jela dumala be kela fonkote. Who are you going to vote for? If elections were held today, if you want, you can say, if elections were held, in next six months. Okay, but the question that I saw here, Itokoloko, who is likely going to win? So basically, instead of you asking me for a choice, okay, to have a clear picture of who is leading what, who are you going to vote for? It all what I saw is I call it clearly who is likely going to win. So now you are not asking me to make a choice. No. You're asking me, instead of thinking a choice, wala nyimfimal wala kwemal wala dabale wala nyindolam wala nyindo. No. Say kunyala ko. Dumala be win la. Who is likely going to win? That's what you asked me. That's what I saw. Then you look at it immediately now. You are not asking me to make a choice. You are asking me to make a prediction. Kafoko nyine be win la. Yalo say ba ala bolo. Ndaman ta fade. Ndoko say nyine be win la. Ndoko ko usene be win la wala dabolo wala fenke le win la to do barolo win la. Say mbemuna la we are making predictions. Mbemuna la kankularo men nyanta nala. Ndaman ko more. Say igmana de kanyen ka more question wala. Karinyo more. Ite manke more and manke more e kan tanyinen ka moria question who is likely going to win. But your question is a troublesome. Let's put in Africa Benjamin. This is not America. This is Africa. Yang mansal kamunake. Ni mansa sindi mansa kamal baliala. Mansa sila bagasota e fela. Mansela kodota e fela. Mansela pikopolta e fela. Mansela ni zado komba bal ni funke balta na be tamala na be tan jane sukuna jang. A benin kidi bal ni e komok din pimpere ka fole show of power. Jang Africa koleke. Africa mansol be betel. Yemme mi sinde budun o kamera sa ngata fa malta mu state house budun abe tiki takale la kodola abe prim param la so ina mo so me anko 90 jang sa fo 95 80% be ko man ta ko rekere karol man jam fa hani min tara school wol fo la fambe han san to man jara ya jam men lan kan say na man pending man kende afolo sanyi mo problème o sanyi mo wida démocratie sanyi mo lipa sembu abute sembe jayo woda mal non sa all of a sudden science and brakono sanji tang brakono almost 10 years ago bakono man jara folo han sa kam man sa jibe nyame mbaka man sa jibe man sa nyanta kala nyame ndoka man sa sambeto jibele so yaje yina mo so mo mi anko hakilol man yirwa folo e ka fe ko so after it is for 5-7 years ite kam minje wala nyimma sa kilo tiki takala abe sembo tan la abe ta ba fala musolo ko ha tenen ten na 50 million ken la keten kuma kala sila adunum fan sila yela jana this thing you kapali akul bekela then perception ka fole ko multa men je nyala ya jamme jiwa ya jamme hani last minute ya jamme last minute men foko ja last minute suko ja ngal be nyaaja ika mo jele fo ya jaw ika convoy jele nyimme ko ya yebo la wala ka fala hani so wala hani 1 week before iko mo ko ya jamme abuela who is likely going to win yemo nyinen kala in 2016 no last 2-3 weeks ago ba fala ya is going to win because population of the brainwash wala mind preta wala you only find it like a symbology. They see perception of power, the illusions of power. More be machono, more be ko mi boka sidiki jang wala zone dabo wala lamin doctor la mani wala la resise no more dulu bije wala ni wala people yere yenyi zado komba jara banta hakilota e chawda so ite mo le mbede bo nyama ya ina e ka ko so who is likely going to win? Your question if I pose obviously, even when I follow, ta nyine be win bari ndo janga wollo. Man sale win follow men man soko pep abuya follow buru wure ko malo no wala kake. Hali bere ko ya ko jam video mo la wulte wurde bu la ko de ka free bankor. Boy na mana yi lela life ko ko be kala. Fo badi go do bi jele men tara victim of that kind of thing ka boy fo je boy ka. Ha wul na mana yilla ke ba ko to na bora tiwa ka boy faka jobo ka because wanda hakilo na mana ta ko nyimbita. That's the perception of power aka men like that. Either Norway, either Denmark, you never see a convoy beside ko na bitir barana. America very rare like you transport. Even you transport tamala ala Air Force One ay ala plane no binja eta to abruta e buruna. But you don't see this tiki taka sembi jitando wati in America or UK or England or anywhere in the civilized world. But Africa, this is what happens. So you create this mindset, you mula man be a person, say who's gonna win. Not ibe karte fela dumale. Simple questions, but I fundamentally different. Who is likely going to win and who are you? Ite, ngeta me nyinga ibe karte fela dumale. Ning karte fela B wala karte fela December. Next karte fela dumale. You send that one. So by the side yo ki yo for mo sa be sire la e mira ko kono. This nota ndere bi nabe banko be nyaminti nare dambare adambara say mo esi yon ko la be kirin mo le fakam bakwe mo tan mo kemelin tan nare be fara janja ma jinak yimbe be kirin sai ye mo nyinin kai be kare dumala o be jibe ay banko jibe ay marse jibe ay prasol jibe ko kono ay sa ko ha mbadi la adambaro wonyo wuli akumo de kirin. That I know is a lie. So whoever menka fem fale jam mem minimum man kilika man to nya fale. So question o munatinna imagine karako ya fa ko ba vote la dumale bari ko nin carte feta ite a mira. Who do you likely think is going to win? Say ila fanta moria ke ndega mana lor malo ni nga fe wona men ni dia ko wala na perception wala ye nyaaw ku menna ye do busa menna ye nene menna ka man sabu ka boy param maybe like I said, not every respondent is educated or hanna tara mani tara school fajira high school hani UTG jang nya yuru no jana wul do ka kada fo bo nyoko so you still gonna have a problem because perceptionally wul ya mira ko man sabu ka boy kitara jambi tara CRR kitara nyem kabaro ya kamne foy ñu dune kontor nguru ibukat ndol dino fom ka fa na dino fom mansa kontor ma alaw ika nyinga fo jang gambe jang itara kabare batale itara jare itara bari batale je billahi wallahi mbew la jang panjanyolo ma fola ika fola ndol buka mansa kontor so ko naturally automatically wona fola no ya adamala yes yara yani kay bola fola itara ñu ngulo ko bola fola itara o medina kaf kabara jana this is what they're going to tell you. So why can't you just ask simple questions and then improve your sample size a little bit? I understand because sample size 1,000 is enough, but we are dealing with a 2.3 million people population. At least 5,000. Spend some of that money. Couldn't you talk about the price like say presque? Well, look at American law company like organization only for like look at you could deal a pre like funding. Do a little more work. Yes, you can say yes, 1,000 is 1,200 is a sample size, but it's 0.001% plus, less than that actually. If you can do the math, percentage of 2.3 million, and even if you use the voting population, come let's say the voter roll is 960 something thousand, 962,000. Well, carry soto voter roll exactly. Even 1% of that is 9,000. But let's say 0.00. I mean, come on. But still, I'm okay with that. The sample size, fine. You choose to do 1,200 or something because you're probably lazy or you just want to spend the money. That's fine. But even going by that, my problem is not the numbers. It's about the questioning. Not that I told you mistake. Okay, like in posting. One day I'm going by what they posted. The questions was who is likely going to win. Not that I told you mistake. They can go and clarify that. But the right thing should have been. Well, I bring out in the page. Even people like Coach Pasamino, they say the same thing. Because now you basically leading somebody on. It's very simple. We have choices. You have Usman Dabo, you have Talib, you have SFL, Arambaro, you know, the everybody, no, Ahmad sorry, Mama Kande, ask simple questions. Who are you going to vote for? Why are you denying us that opportunity to see that? And then go further. Once you do that, go further and help us as politicians or as the country, so we know where to put our resources, where to further break it down. Maybe gender, okay? More men are saying this, more women are saying that. Ages of 18 to 30 years old are saying this. Mostly farmers are saying that. You see, the uncle are saying this. So well, so but you're not asking people to make basically prediction. That's not what polls do. You're trying to poll me to find out what I'm feeling. Who are my likely candidates? Who do I want to vote for? Who's likely to win? Who's likely to win what? What is that exactly? So this is it. Come Gambe betenne. Yang ikanyari churumpem fode sera. Churumpem fode bari don manam polo njam. Ya nyabe jana sangi jelu 20 something years manam polje. I don't know. Yeah, Jawara Busa 30 years, 29, whatever. Manam polje. So in last for 5-7 years olam churumpem fode ko churup pol ko. So everybody men namanam pol fo nyala probably went on some classes, American working class and to educate us about democracy and how to maintain, uh, civic engagement and things like that. So it's a new thing. I don't blame them that much, but these are fundamental flaws that we need to point out. Okay, and I think it's all maybe it might be a learning how to call it a learning curve for them going forward. In a situation like this, you're trying to basically because you're putting candidates out there. So simple question. Instead of me making a prediction, currently putting a guess. It's a guesswork. Let me just make an emphatic statement. Then your normal breakdown. Mo 1,200 people. So now everybody know your place. Simple, clean polls. Now you can say, okay, well, and then most polls like I said, they're the polls of men back in, like I said, I've been dealing with polls since 2011. Gone in, I don't know if I like it. Bush Ningolo election, George Bush Jr. and Kabiro Tamo. We've been dealing with polls. But we take a polls and I break them down. They break it down. You see it. You see the women vote. Because America, you'll hear this on TV. The women vote this. The Anglican vote. The Catholic vote. You understand? The gun rights. Gun rights local thing. The South is saying this. You hear all this. So now you as a campaign, at the end of the day, what is this whole thing about? It's not about Nyawal law. It's not about Kanyo Kamfandi. It's not about Kanyo Karaman getting imagine. No, it's about education. It's about giving us tools. Ka ferol dimola sai niza e fanji be ko ha gunjuru de astafula wel comme ko Sénégal de promo mu Sénégal karola Sénégal be campagne e ko la tio mansan well maybe wala na Sénégal la vote taraten okay ngaje students all from the age of 18 to 30 years old they overwhelmingly say in Talib Besula what a problem so say ngaji we funding how are we going to get them okay ngaji be ko nga apology ko atudum fam musola karola musola na ko dogulade musola jenna jaw dim foten ajal musola tara 60% adambaro 60% what maybe learning women for no maybe wala be affect keka so ajal say defana ajibe fanang university mun kelo ko counter this is how politics works imanga nyaw is about knowledge information yata ya you drive iko say ntede nyum polo fele de nyugo kebe karanyum nyum lo ma follow thing I'm doing very very bad in that area. It's showing me the rural vote is massively against UDP. The urban urban respondents, or maybe urban Banjul, Serakunda, Brikama is favorable to UDP, but we have a problem from the rural vote. We have a problem. So you learn from these things. You take the numbers, you crunch it. But it is like Carla even Iko. Just tell us emphatically, Moloko, Nin Carrefa get a Yinabe Cate, Iko be Catefa. bari ma fa ko kariñol ko ya mira ko karibe willa ite be pol la ite kante pol ite malo ante malo ite manke mira ite manke muri. Why you asking me that kind of question? So nyimbe tara benna wala gammeno fofu ren nga tabela dunje gammeno ite ko kuren ndiala asi kalante ya dunje asi kalabande ya dunje asi malak ko dul buka fende keno mimbe senala set all the time yembula dawda yembula kokuru ni kunna laba chikeje itara IC laba itara ni simple fonike ma ko ni kila pour as strengthening our democracy on fon kan ni question sifa di mola. Now you put it out there so say you're gonna see some people wow nengo ni na ngapadi ni na it's not true. It's not indicative of the truth. The question lines not ringing because you for young most likely you're more in one. I'm only going by to the mensafela post one felekan man femfo imam memfo. I just brought it to light because mwajama baji bekane ima cross jama wo poll for jibe la maybe 60-20 wala jibe ni mbore ko but look at the questioning, read, you go, you see that is a fundamental bring us a mwajama na post ya ko passa mo ñol be karambatu ñu be di am la jël be ñaa jël wal de ben diwe before nga America karamba ñol be karre fa in America wal de polo sita be la so atul même dile le polo atul mo jabo ko follow aka mo fa di am bala ja. See, we are not going to allow that. Many are long, they have a responsibility. Kamul nyaya and the minimal law. Because Nima in Dokel, ni mira time that she feeling it. Science and it nyaya then you kunyako. But then you want to come and make it like a common alalo kumola in the poll has well get like for like Yankuba Karafe Manafa, Yankuba come like for that Fort Lamalo, Yankuba badly beating Emenko the Katefel, you know, they have all these weird things and they were not like a funny for body. Which okay, I'm not really gonna go into all that for but I'm dealing with the Menketa, what is happening, what I saw, the line of questioning, every intelligent person, Niaje Ibalanoku is flawed, fundamentally actually flawed. You don't ask those kind of foolish questions actually. Of course, this population of Mango Kulamata, you go and get a president of a boy, then in table fully. You just say Barolo Villa. Simple. But ask them, who are you going to vote for? Because they will take a pause. At that moment, they will reflect. They will reflect on the prices of their pay. Maybe at a phone sitter alone for a crowd, maybe a barino fato 190 people on the main father science and back on couldn't find another 20 something called tafash. See? So I mira la price la men sankam marseto sunkoro la kana si price be sala ko denke be ba ko right now. Sai wo janu ba fula yes karalam ba vote la wala be sila la time ta fula du na foye most likely wala tonyat tata la tay nyim batambe be kering ko be kering hanu wato ka adam baro woto way adama kamle. It's normal. Bataman kay defendi stresso man kay defendi fem man kay fem mata badana te meta batande wala Adam Baro Kano. Fine, one more fan nobody will do anything to them. But maybe don't fan the price of commodities will make them determine otherwise. Maybe they are determined to Karefe, Adam Baro Bondi. But maybe the perception, because Africa la world, man sakanyaneke. Kasembo itandi kafiti fata yaja imreke yaja me fiti fata jale yaja me sembo itandi momo itandi jang woni zaddo kombala kada nakata kabol buto wolo kabol bute wala bar alala mate kana to be ka follow ni ka follow kanyi to mane la fo lan sambu jana fenke banjul lam banjul even the name you cannot say it wala perception ka follow psychology the same thing man saka ko nyama so it mo nka on that kind of questioning line who is likely to win. They will see power, they will see perception of and illusions of power, they see it can mend nyako te bola fala. But yes, some more ya like ko jang be kala jani ne nyin karte ko jang chapa who are you going to vote for? You see a different answer. La fa nyina kala yala mole ndeme la jambake just to nganjela rek I ndey be safenola. I said let me come. Hopefully people will share these videos at her and then we'll get much more from um, intellectual or intelligent discussion going forward. So more bela ko ke be mene yake political leke ajel hansay ka bonam Banjul Kombo KMC Jara abe opposition be sirinje nyum man se sembo so bi atavita sirinje ngala amol ako nali adam baro ko nyala ko nali yanko bobbona ko marché bi jang bitiki guli kilin kema fula on lafaka alwale ntakela da man tal man yanko bobboni jang nyim mem futara level of desperation to president futara that level of desperation. These are the facts. Ite ka diam rete suppress but president men ko fa dala woto man tara jikiring ko 60% be carte fala watale 40 something percent man tara jikir wala atolo bo fala but president to fala nasa no bi atabeta sidin break American sul bi atabeta sidin KMC bi atabeta sidin Banjul bi atabeta sidin Jara bi ñina Gambia la hafo bete or more than that bara ta bulo kono a sembeta la symbol mo bulo kono UDF bulo kono. This is the fact. And in council be they are delivering more than 1 million people will be studying West Coast. 1 million people according to last census. They came like a Banjul like a Jara like a Gambia for manta. So it time all be sitting there well nya married well kaka number well qualify. It's not true. So mo kana la fena jang natra ikanyin question sifala jininka ne men na deta me ko ha ila kenyo le ka balan polo al balan buko meni asafata di numero le man tan kala mata wol dol hali arastad wol man na pol fagila la ila biya ko nta man ta wol respect la jambi de respect la fla buko nta pol so jele men america e pol men kabini sanyi mo ambe pol jibela dini mere meno ka mahana bulbara marade otina ka fulde teninte e kanyin question sifa yin nga mole ka mo ko ha teninte ko nyin ka ka nyamin mole so ni ma no yela polo muta. Let them ask karteni dumale alba fela dumale. Simple question. Muna ne to fala. Sara ando keba ko ndo bashin ya kakal mbola nyakuja. O keba sifla bijele keba kalanta na gol ilo dilo sina ya tapa ntol bi anako accept that. So nade me yela polo ya feda ban bari même mu to nyaati bi naaje president be sila faka desperate. Kala mo jibe ka fa nta development kala aliye. Da man tal man ci amano bodije. Ba kan fare sare karobela. Wodo wo mata ni polo jibe ka. Hani o ka polo doje men ni mankile. Baroka pol menje alka menje alo do ko la fa albe menna alo la fa ya jamme ko nga fala nyamin jang mole amara alala matu hani qur'anu lani safa te boyla pol ko ya te boyla mo buga si yurme ka ya boyla ala nga to nya fo nyoja 2016 atela kireso banda barude atela kirimba so wartade ate KMC bati bulo kono Brika American suba bulo kono Banjul ba bulo kono Jara ba bulo kono Basse ba bulo kono Kuntawur ba bulo kono Sierra South and North ba bulo kono Basse ba bulo kono 100%. Ay council beke fair lati ay beke politikote ya ay compino ko balu do ko do kat dum aka pasar patio ko balu council la ya jammo si fasra ja o garado o wasra ja ite be sin jang council te bulo ko Basse be te bulo ko ani Sierra fentor Sierra hani million taldu be ka so don samon fentor bulo ko Brika fe wala le ke fulane fe bodi ja KMC fanan 300 million plus ha ya jame jamano ñin be batla ko do no single council was on the UDP akakal jina Gambia al kala si somda ni dino be len kala de amula al si al reflect, go back and think, don't fall for anything. Sambo perception was ya jam at the utmost level. So Africa bo la ñama Africa man sol be ka ñeke ñima sama sa sira ikake alalti. So ite mo ñin ka ala problème wala ba fa la ha wala wilna do fa la fo giso ko même bi jaw giso be dibiri okay miral dugol men dara ba ko o sono wo ke miral mali botel ite boy ni ka lu men o sono be tiare bara ko mo win am nga rek Africa la nguri ni na mo be ka dañu defeatist mindset kamre be defeat la this what masaka ni kila ba ñu ala patalo mela ñi dindo keso ko men ka keje ajibe comme nga fanya na tare to comme foto wolbe toñaring adam baro fe atasi la ka fuga ala la chamalo bonne pour nga development kali o that's embarrassing o mu malu ku molti bar wa kere ja that's what happened here andana kana ñina wala o ma ni kari kilo ko rek la fonci dara bo fola be menti tapale adron is all orchestrated abe kodo ha abe tapalaya ha ngo ni mo kele wulde ko talibe sura banko atele banko mala atele be ma mo be nyata few months ago may ba ja atebe jël 2% 2% because ni mo nyininka exactly sa ala ngo jibe wa kaddan tan ko ma jang e sita la nyi mo kilo so fe ke jang ni mari nyanyo no so e ko talibe usenu fo dan ko di ko nyimba kate fara talibe teneji talibe no be santo almost 18% 17% ko di ha usodi be for 13% malo tenin deng so ko sa ni wona ranyo kan wala fi almost so what happened mo get what say so wo bada 13 ama ni kar sa bakron kire wala kana ni ko rek so o jolonta nan 13% sa be 2% 2% about mo kita mo le fata bang wala la mo le yemanta bang mo kita no because the line of questioning probably have changed because hani ko follow ko jambi hani men ko tere ka e dum la win next election iko talibe su da fele iko adam baro fele hani men ko teta iba fele na adam baro nata yin ka wala dum la win la ba fele adam baro 90% bolo fele so yin karo nya is very very important beral be talib ni usenu foka njala ko dum la kate fele be kate fele dum la usenu talib wala baro be 30% usenu be 10% malon talib be 15 something percent mu yin karo de who are you going to vote for ima for who's likely going to win de bidi be talib ta fala abi 15% sotaga sign b watara 2% because the questioning changed, the psychology changed. Once you put talib on a platter yemman sala sembo la ni palato kam dindi man kama hala party follow fula amma structure follow mole kan no yes but is he ready to karambaro bay hani so hani mem man kende ba fula la hani talib to win nola immediately yadi barola sign see the number go up because perception but not any kara kota yeko nin karte lata bi adam baro fele sen dabo fele talib sala iba fele dumale talib to 2% sala talib will get more than 2%. Not nin karo ko wala ko nin karte fele bi iba fele dumale talib fele sen dabo fele adam baro fele or talib la nyin sufara jurmol be gambe ko bela woto nyin 2% ni wara soto abe selala abita at least 10 or 12 or 8 9% njikita wala bare biri akeno wala kita so my say bring question of falling direct talib jita 2% because jikiti je it's about perception, it's about ika menge ika membule nyakono man saka men lipe nyakal wala ka mojama confusion de mojama ku man that level to discern this kind of things ka jibe ka hanyimu diam keso man sabetene rek man sanakata nana moto bal nala fokota that's normal waro ma min ko sembo batel bulu ni sembo ba bulum bi talibe so tata sirin KMCB yankuba dawo tata sirin brika american so bi rek mala to tata sirin banjul ni na to ata sembo lo bala these are the facts, these are the irrefutable facts ni never like platoka number le info say mola perception is a different story so my Talifana became a victim of that. Few months ago, yani Usain Talo yani Usain aning Dabo, I be 15% marker. Dabo be 18% malo, whatever. Baro 30 something percent. So say Baro at 40 something percent, Talib is 2%. Usain be 20. Because now the perception you're in ka. Ima fo ibe munekela. Ya fo yemu mira. Ye mira nyala jininka. Ita ya dumale be ganyela. So nyaw mira itaka symbology. Symbol malabun. Who has the power? Then the perception and illusion of power will can illa response ni determine. Then you start making, oh yeah, Baro may win. So I hope you guys understand. I hope Ali understand le membe caring. Nkame mfale ya clear aliena. Ntamantara mo nakata kanjang nkame mfale be nkakumo la fa paladoka. I gave examples. Ha. So how they did this questioning, made na any questions back ma understand. But Aman says make is not getting the real information out to the people. Gambia, alinga tapale abulal, alinga nyone bula. Ya moment of sansa na nyine polling start nyine manam polling no mo do ngo polling jela fom batata. So if I see anything I can point out it's a problem. So ala hakilo tankondi ila do ko continue ala politiko continue albe menna ala chairman ila do ko kendol ke alla melo do ken dolke abi batla bloko Gambia la chengo the most important places is all in the hands of the opposition nimme ko modo fale abe nene ko mola ni content ni dade be satisfy lo num bi ite nyim manya ila nyim desperate manya kala boro ma sija ko say karo ko sa kabira tola say aka be toje kala to fo to lulu malo fa mo la ko ja say wuta ko ka kata jëlal 50 million dollars sa kata di musolla ala femme na man ke nyim banko kanja on president nan ko ni man ko na falenta bi yesa ba commissioner de jambo ya bira president for that hanu ibaka yalon ko nin ko falenta they will all answer to that ko do bara dame do mala di and on what pretext supersonic la for supersonic la ma for salam finance la malo wala muna biye what is the interest in that e ka jele charge musol la what interest everything who is paying the interest abe fenya ba haluo they want to go that route yalon ko ate la bankula ni man ko na fara janko tanke na bar janko tanke they will all answer to that problem so you can feel desperation wala nyamo kun cham cham wala bela so woni membe kere nyim poso do maka ko kilende al sen lonje butu na le meka taka al sen ko senalima mo be akal mo nyam okay all right butu be salamu kala sen beta ajabe kunna thank you so much I just want to come here and then get this out of my out of my system kan do gambia ni mam men taka ko wala pam ya bula ta kana ka use la butu mo le lala jay bo nyam so we just have to keep going and going and going anytime we see this anomalies these abnormal issues we hit it on the head janjang no make it like kamwe do ko la fa mo kana lamfu mo kana murkoma ni left let them go and ask simple questions ibe carte file dumale nin carte file sita yo okay yo some manager yo fan report mo le ya report ma fule thank you so much ndef wala to fo wala parce que ubenta fanam bambandi la ha nsi wuli sain ko wato sain do ko mbula nyanta wula ha fonni kel ban prono bolto alaw fanam fonya alu because we are pay alben nyimi ka kada nyingi ka jole any di yani ND like they pay you na indo kelo they ko do soro jelo so when you're making this money go the extra mile don't be lazy I'll tell them my interview. We have a population of 2 point something million people. Why interviewing just 1,244 people? That is too small. Get a bigger margin if you know, get bigger sample size. You can do it. You have the money. Okay? Then give us a breakdown. Give us gender breakdown. Musul kateng, kyol kateng. I'm getting only musul kateng. Kyol they are voting this way. Okay? Dinwall, 18 to 30 years old, they are 18 to 35. Youth so they are good, they are trending towards that way. Then let me work on this one. Farmers, give me the farmers' numbers. What are the farmers saying? I need to know. Farmers are saying that they are gonna vote for Adam Barrow. But I know farmers are struggling. So how do I change my messaging to farmers now to make sure I catch up with Barrow? These are the kind of intelligent polls we need, not just nonsense. He say he has he say. Yeah. Who is likely to vote? Why are you asking me that? I'm not a Marabu. You're not a Marabu. I have no idea who's likely going to win. I don't know, but I can tell you who I'm going to vote for. How about that? Ask me that. Clear example: when you did the Taliban Hussein Dabul poll, I mean, Barrow poll a few months ago, you saw what happened. Taliban got 15%, Hussein blah blah blah, 18%. I don't know for 30 something percent. That's okay because you ask people who are going to vote for. You didn't say who is likely going to win. Now, with the time you change the questioning, you ask them who is likely going to win. Taliban to 2%. From 15% to 2%. So you see how questioning just basically changed the whole perspective. People, when they are empowered, they have the perception of immortality. So you ask somebody who is likely good, they will say, "Oh, you and people will win." But that's not what's in their heart. We trying to find out what's in their heart. Tell us that. Ask them who are they going to vote for. Then we can prepare. In the absence of that, you can shove your whatever suppressed thing where the sun doesn't shine. We'll talk another time. Thank you. Bye bye.